Good morning, friends. Welcome back to science class. Today, we will be learning about the life cycles of organisms. Our objective for today is to present the life cycle of an organism. But first, a quick review. Last week, we learned from the Bible that the God we worship is also the creator of our planet Earth. So let's review the two verses by saying them together. Ready? In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. Genesis 1:1. For in 6 days the Lord made heaven and earth, the sea and all that in them is, and rested the seventh day. Wherefore the Lord blessed the Sabbath day and hallowed it. Exodus 20, verse 11. Okay, let's prepare to take notes on today's lecture. First, let's open Google Classroom. Next, click on Life Cycle of an Organism. And now we want to open a new document in Docs. We are now ready to take notes. So, what is a life cycle? A life cycle shows how living things grow and change over time. And what stages do all life cycles include? Well, there are 4 stages. There is birth, growth, reproduction, and death. All life cycles must include these 4 stages. And what is the first stage of plant and animal cycles? Well, the first stage for animals are that some are born alive while others hatch from eggs. And the first stage of a plant's life cycle is that most plants start out as seeds. Okay, so let's discuss an example of a life cycle. This example is a dog. A dog has 5 stages in its life cycle. The first stage, it's born in a litter as a live puppy, and its puppy stage lasts about 1.5 years. Its second stage is adolescence. Its third stage is an adult. The fourth stage is a senior, and the fifth stage is death. So now, it's your turn. Your assignment that is due today is to sketch a life cycle of a frog. Your supplies, you will need your sketch pad and your colored pencils. There are 3 stages around the classroom, and each station is a stage. So you need to use your colored pencils to sketch the frog at each stage. And lastly, I need you to label each of the stages. And remember, this assignment is due today. Okay, now let's talk about your lab assignment, which is due Friday. What you need to do is choose a plant or animal. It's your choice. I want you to research their life cycle online. I need you to open an assignment, Life Cycle Lab in Google Classroom, open a new slides presentation, create a slide for each stage, and add a title slide and a resource slide to your presentation. This is due on Friday. Remember, all shows will be presented in front of the class. Okay, so for this lab assignment, let's click open Google Classroom once again. Click on Life Cycle Lab. And you want to click on Slides to begin a new presentation. Don't forget, you will need to present your slideshow to the whole class on Friday.